we have here is a fat lazy dog and an Aria Ac25CE acoustic cutaway with electronics preamp. This has been repaired down here where the back and the bottom of the rib meets. Hopefully you can see that shading. It's beautifully done. As far as I'm concerned, a pretty much invisible repair by a professional luthier. This is considered used. It was a brand new guitar, damaged in shipping. If you look closely there, you'll see the compensation of the bridge. It's got a drop D tuning at the moment. Cutaway, lovely finish, lovely sound. These are quite old strings, but oh, there's a little nick. It's just a little tiny bit not perfect there. But other than that, this is a beautiful guitar. With a cutaway and electronics 3-band EQ and a sort of presence thing. This all works. The presence thing works. It doesn't make a huge difference to me, but it's all in the attack. And that's it really.